Hey, it's Duncan McGilvery coming to you from White McGilvery Leicester in Thunder Bay for another Free Legal Information Friday. And today we're going to talk about the statement of defense and talk about what's in it. A couple episodes ago we talked about the statement of claim, which is the document that is filed at the courthouse to start the personal injury lawsuit. That statement of claim is then served on the defendant, and the defendant, through their insurance company and their lawyer that the insurance company hires, the defendant then files their statement of defense, which is basically a big long denial document. The statement of defense is going to deny a bunch of things. Basically anything that's in the statement of claim, the statement of defense is going to deny. So it's going to deny that the plaintiff was hurt. It's going to say that the plaintiff has no injuries at all from that accident, and it's going to say that any injuries are from pre-existing problems or other car accidents or other illnesses, that sort of thing. It's also going to deny that the defendant was at fault at all. Even if it's like the most clearly at fault defendant on earth, the statement of defense will say, no, plaintiff, you're at fault. It'll say things like the plaintiff was drunk, even if they weren't, even if there's no credible evidence at all that they were. It'll say things like the plaintiff was on their cell phone, even if there's no credible evidence at all about that. It'll just deny, deny, deny. So it's a rather frustrating document to read. That said, the good part about the statement of defense is that once that is filed, then we can move on with the next steps in the lawsuit and keep that lawsuit moving forward, keep the pressure on the defendant's insurance company, and do things like move forward to the examination for discovery, which is another episode of Free Legal Information Friday that you guys can go find here on YouTube or Instagram. Thanks for listening. This has been Free Legal Information Friday on Statement of Defense.